whispers in the sand, spicy air cooking, jalapeño hands. Cactus watches, silent like a priest. Desert's a canvas, painted gold at least. Clouds drift lazy, sipping horchata sky. Dreams bloom slow where the sunflowers die. Desert dreams where the heat don't sleep. Echoes hum deep where the shadows creep. Desert dreams, desert dreams, dust and moonlight schemes. Life ain't what it seems in these desert dreams. Concrete jungle with tortillas in the bag. City's heartbeat, a mariachi flag. Spanglish flows like a river through the air. Churro stands poppin', cinnamon everywhere. Abuelita's voice, wisdom in her tone. Her prayers build a house where I'm never alone. Yeah. Piñata stars crack open the night. Candy colored hopes, sweeter than sight. Mango on a stick, chili spice so tight. Balancing the bitter, wrongs turn right. Desert dreams where the heat don't sleep. Echoes hum deep where the shadows creep. Desert dreams, desert dreams, dust and moonlight schemes. Life ain't what it seems in these desert dreams. Soft wind sings through a borderless land, feeding two worlds both under one hand. Desert whisper secrets, truths untold, where stories are written in the sand and the soul.